today I will show you how to change Facebook page name simply easy. So that is my Facebook. Click. So that is the base page. Base page is my page. I need to change this name, this page name. So I will go into click my Google, search my Facebook, mfacebook.com, login. You will see your Facebook. Enter your page. My page is number 3, base page. So click the page, base page. My page is base page. I need to change. So how can I change page name? Click more and page info. Page information about page. The page name is base page. So I delete this name, base page. Which name I need? I need Hip Hop Online Radio. Hip Hop Online Radio is my page name. I need this name to my page. Hip Hop Online Radio. Click continue and request change. Then okay. Page name is changed now. That is the page. Enter page. Hip Hop Online Radio. That's a simple way to change Facebook page name. Thank you for watching my video and subscribe my channel.
Ku danna subscribe domin samun sababbin shirye-shiryenmu da zarar mun